Hi.
In today's free video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot completely for free. Trust me, this is a normal video, but let's get right into it.
I'm going to show you a free tutorial or a video on how to make the best thumbnails for YouTube videos and online social media platforms using free AI tool Copilot. Okay, so step number 1 is to download Copilot. Copilot can be accessed by downloading and installing Microsoft Edge browsing device. Once Microsoft Edge has been installed, open it. Number 2, Microsoft Edge. Once open, copy and paste the link down in the video description down below, or the pinned comment, or even type in the website right here on the screen, aka the cheat code. Once loaded, you will see a website similar to this, Copilot, your everyday AI companion. There are 3 options down below, or a conversational style. In this video example, we will be using this, or the middle option called More Balanced. Step number 3 is choose a conversation style. You can choose to experiment with other options, creative and precise, etc. Now that you've chosen this option, you can ask Copilot anything you want or desire down below, appropriately in the free chat box right here. I want to create an awesome looking thumbnail for YouTube, and I also want Copilot to create this for me, so that I don't have to create a YouTube thumbnail myself. I want to save time. Okay, so step number 4 is to come up with a prompt you want Copilot's AI to generate a free image. So type in whatever you want right here to generate. I have a prompt which says right here, create me a beautiful looking woman who's blonde, young and fit looking, who's sitting down at a table inside her room which is dark or well lit, and she's looking up and pointing to the right of the screen of the camera, which is displaying her. Okay, also make sure that the woman is wearing glasses and that her background of their room has interesting things such as trophies, sports, and that her room is well presentable. You guys get the point. Step number 5, paste or type in here in the prompt, the chat box below, and once you have figured out a prompt you let Copilot's free AI to use, create your free YouTube video, copy and paste it down below in the Ask My Anything chat box. Step number 6, click enter. This may take some time to load depending on your internet speed and how long the prompt you gave Copilot to generate a free YouTube thumbnail. Okay, once loaded, you will be given a picture or multiple images of your free AI photos. Step number 7, choose one of the images. Click on one of the images you're liking, and this image right here looks actually pretty legit. Not gonna lie, you have multiple options to choose right here on the bottom of the screen. In this example, we will mess around with all the different free Copilot options. Pixel art, watercolor. You can click undo or option if you do not like the image or the look, and then click block print, etc. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Steampunk looks sexy. Wow, I cannot believe that this is free. Wow. Wow, now we are talking. Step number 8, save the final image for your free thumbnail. And save the image for YouTube or whatever it is you want to use, social media platform, etc. Okay, in order to do this, click on the top 3 dots on the top right hand screen or next to the share icon or button. Click on the second option and download. Step number 9 is the final touches. If you want, you can drag your mouse or cursor onto the selected image. And as you can see, you can click anywhere in the picture image and you'll be granted access to edit the photo. Option number 1, color pop. Wow, that looks amazing. Option number 2 is to blur the background. Wow, that looks absolutely stunning. In order to maximize this free online YouTube thumbnail generator tool, click on all the other photo options and click save or download if you would like. So in this way you have multiple thumbnails or photos to choose from. Step number 10 is to upload your YouTube video. Go to youtube.com, click upload a video. Once the video has been uploaded, scroll down and click the custom thumbnail feature. Choose the desired photo you wish to use as the thumbnail. And voila.
Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, if you want to see more videos like this, please leave a like, comment down below, share the video.